Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today we're going to be looking at a handy little product from Zippo. This is the Zippo fuel canister. Now what this is designed to do is to carry enough lighter fluid on board with you in order to refill a Zippo windproof lighter. They also claim it's enough fluid in there if you are utilizing one of their 6-hour hand warmers that you would have enough fuel to refill one of those as well. So it makes it quite handy. Well, one application I think I could find this becoming very useful in is for campers or hikers, also hunters, any kind of outdoorsman actually, where having the ability to have a little bit of lighter fluid on you without having to carry a whole canister. Let's say you are in need of getting a fire started in some damp conditions. That little bit of extra lighter fluid spread onto your kindling can really help save the day in some cases. So what it comes with, it has a little rotating little carabiner clasp here that you can hook it onto pack or whatever you want to hook it onto. Has a pretty nice split ring on it for your key ring as well. This little rubber tube here is designed to carry one of the Zippo flints, so you can carry an extra flint on board. And then this little driver here, emblazoned with the Zippo logo, is actually designed, let me take my insert out here. This is designed in order to tighten or loosen your flint spring. So that's actually kind of nice. You can do the same thing with coin, you know, with the standard US penny, but it's kind of nice that it's on there as well. So let's take it apart and show you what all it comes with. So first of all, you have the top cap, and then you have the cap, which has an O-ring seal on it that covers the nozzle as well. On the nozzle, you have obviously the nozzle itself, and then you have a little vent tube there, or vent relief there. So when you're using this to pour out fluid, you want to set that vent to the top side, and that'll help your fuel flow out quite a bit easier. And then if we unscrew the bottom portion, which also comes with an O-ring seal, that will get you to the canister for filling up with lighter fluid. So I want to check this to see this particular lighter is dry, so we're going to fill this up, and I'm going to use this to refill this Zippo lighter and see if it tops it off, or if maybe we have a little bit extra left after that. Okay, I got some fuel here now. Let's just fill this thing up. We'll top it off, and then we'll try it in the Zippo, and we'll see just how much lighter fluid is actually held in here. So I'm guessing that this is going to be somewhere close to about maybe a ½ ounce of fluid, maybe not quite that much that you're able to put in here. So if we got that portion on, now we'll put the first cap on, seal that up, and then you could seal the rest of it up with the other caps. But right now I want to check it out and see just how much fuel this thing holds. So we'll set our lighter in here upside down. Actually, let me flip it around because a little easier to get the felt pad up. And we'll see how well it flows, and then whether or not it has enough fuel to refill this. So if we set it upside down, it is a pretty slow process. Now once you turn it completely upside down, it starts flowing pretty good. So you know, it's not like a bottle where you can squeeze it to make it flow faster, but it'll definitely do the job to effectively. And the fact that it's a nice aluminum case like that means that you know, you're unlikely to damage this thing. So we'll see if that was it, that it fueled it up. I think I still got more in there. No, that was it. So apparently it's going to be just about the right amount to fill up, just like they claim that it's going to be just the right amount in order to fill up a Zippo lighter. So let's check it out. And just like nothing. So this is actually a pretty nice little product. I especially like this for the fact that, like I mentioned before, I think where this can come in extremely handy is if, you know, for outdoorsmen to carry a little extra fluid without having to lug around this whole thing, give you just enough fluid to get you in, out of, you know, a little bit of an emergency situation. Having a fuel source is pretty invaluable in the right circumstance. So this is the Zippo fuel canister. I think I like this little product. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.